Amazon Black Friday sale. I have 18 items today just for you. Amazing prices to pick these up. And of course, I linked them all below. Let's jump right into it. 18 items for survival. You got to have these. First off, these are just fun. A 171 piece survival kit. The majority of the stuff in here I have and use. These are really cool. Make great gifts, by the way, for 25 bucks. These are awesome. Second, for 24 bucks, a seed vault with over 16,000 seeds, all non-GMO, all heirloom. Fantastic. And anybody who knows anything about survival and prepping knows the SAS Survival Handbook is the best ultimate guide to survival. Nice and small, carry it with you. It's only $14.59. Make sure you get it, read it, and practice with it. And it wouldn't be Black Friday without these personal water straws. Here's some filter ones. They're off brands from the Life straws, 16 bucks for two. And they work just as well without paying that higher price. But personally, instead of sucking out of a pond, I prefer a gravity water filter. I love these. 30 bucks, fill up the bag, and let gravity do the rest for you. 60 bucks, get the ultimate kit for your car. Fantastic. Jumper cables, first aid kit, all the things in one nice package so you don't have to buy the stuff separately. And up in Michigan, I would not drive in the winter without having an emergency sleeping bag. This is a 2-pack for both our cars. Great. Certainly will keep you warm in an emergency until help arrives. She's so comfy. And for survival, you must have knives. 15 bucks for a Mossy Oak Survival Hunting Knife. Fantastic. And even comes with a sharpener and fire starter. Great. And they also have a 14-inch Bowie knife with a full tank fixed blade. These are nice, really stylish, wood handle and everything. But for $17, they also have a fixed blade Bowie knife, a 2-piece set. Beautiful. Aren't these nice? Personally, I love the wood grain handles. And I mention these all the time. I certainly would pick this up. It's a 4-pack of collapsible LED camping lanterns. They are so bright. And $5 each, you can't go wrong. And I always recommend having many ways to start fires, by the way. That's where this plasma lighter comes in, windproof dual arc USB rechargeable. It is great. And I know some people use them as like little stun gun things type stuff, but that's totally up to you. Obviously follow the law, but at least you can start fires with this. These are nice. A little camp stove for burning little pieces of wood. Amazingly, these work very well, especially if you have a little fire starter to put in it for only $17. Or for $20, you can get this 6-piece camping cookware set. Comes with a mess kit, a little stove, a little spoon, and lots of everything in one nice kit. Fantastic. Keep going. We're almost there to the very end, and some of the best are still to come. And multi-tools are fun, but look at this guy. This is a huge 16-in-1 multi-tool with survival gear and an axe, hammer, pliers, saw, etc. How fun is this? So cool. Also for emergencies, I love that these are 4-packs for $16. Emergency ponchos with Mylar blankets. Yeah, the blanket liner on these make it waterproof, windproof. This literally could save your life. And being a 4-pack, you can put them everywhere, like in your cars and emergency bags. I recently got a set of these. They are a 2-pack of rechargeable flashlights. They are high lumens. They're nice and bright. But I love to have the lights on the side as well to be able to work on stuff. 2 of them for less than 20 bucks. And last, but certainly not least, a 25 or 45-liter military tactical backpack to hold all your stuff. Yeah, pretty essential, $27. And look at this, lots of flavors and colors to choose from. Very nice. There you have it, 18 survival items you're going to want to make sure you stockpile and pick up. Perfect time to do this with this Black Friday sale. Now, if you click on the links below, we appreciate it. We say thank you. A portion of the sale goes to funding our channel, which we keep free for you. But you know what? Your price doesn't change. So we always say thank you. But anyways, now's the time. Black Friday sale going for a few more days. Make sure you stay tuned because we'll have more videos out also. And as always, thanks for watching.